Let me show you how to delete a contact photo on your iPhone. No one can see what contact photo you use for someone, and they won't be notified if you delete it. Now, you can either go into the Messages app on your iPhone and go to that specific contact and delete the contact photo from there, or you can also just go into the Phone app or Contacts app and go to Contacts here and go to that specific contact. Let's say I wanted to delete or maybe change this contact photo. I can easily do that by just tapping on the Edit button here. And now I can customize this. I can customize the look and feel of it, but I can also just go through the process of deleting it by choosing something random. So the default is monogram. Essentially, I can tap on that and it will just switch to the letters associated with that contact. In this case, Trevor Android, so TA. But you can also see I can also go through and choose different monogram options, different emoji options, memojis, and I can of course choose a photo from my camera or a photo library. Let's say we would just want to switch to the default. I can switch to the default for the avatar, but also the poster. You'll need to go in there and switch from the photo back to the default. You can see in just this case TA, and again I can choose different colors for that. And when I'm ready to go, I can just choose which contact photo or poster I want. And there you go, you have deleted it fully.